In the tire world, every tread and groove impacts your comfort and safety. The Continental EcoContact 6, optimized for fuel efficiency and durability, faces off against the Bridgestone Turanza T005, designed for a smooth and reliable ride on long journeys. Despite their different segmentations, these titans share a significant overlap in sizes, presenting drivers with a selection dilemma. The stage is set. Welcome to the battle between Continental EcoContact 6 and Bridgestone Turanza T005. In wet conditions, the Bridgestone Turanza T005 takes the lead. It stops 2 meters shorter than the EcoContact 6 in wet, braking from 100 to 0 km per hour. On the wet handling track, the Turanza T005 averages a lap speed of 74.9 km per hour, compared to the EcoContact 6's 67.7. In straight aquaplaning tests, the Turanza T005 has a slight advantage with a slipping speed of 84.4 km per hour compared to the EcoContact 6 speed of 81.5. In dry conditions, the Bridgestone Turanza T005 has a slight edge, stopping 0.6 meters shorter than the Continental EcoContact 6. In dry handling, the Turanza T005 also leads with an average lap speed of 95.2 km per hour, compared to the EcoContact 6 speed of 93.8. The Continental EcoContact 6 lasts significantly longer, with an impressive 41,480 kilometers of wear, outlasting the Turanza T005 by 9,520 kilometers. This translates to fewer replacements and better value over time. The Continental EcoContact 6 is quieter at 67.1 decibels, compared to the Bridgestone Turanza T005's 68.9 decibels. This quieter ride contributes to a more peaceful driving experience, especially on long journeys. Rolling resistance is crucial for enhancing battery mileage in electric vehicles. The EcoContact 6 outperforms the Turanza T005 with a lower rolling resistance coefficient of 5.69, compared to 6.94, making it a more efficient choice. To summarize, the Continental EcoContact 6 impresses with superior mileage and lower rolling resistance, making it an efficient choice, particularly for electric vehicles. On the other hand, the Bridgestone Turanza T005 excels in wet performance, making it a safer choice in rainy conditions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.